Ladies and gentlemen, I done my hip hop P now, as in easy beat. Hip hop now.
Straight you understand,
up, man?
Straight up.
Nah, I done bad. Chills, you know. Easy. Man.
Turn up.
Man, not turn off.
Turn up.
Not turn off.
Turn up.
I turn off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are still the late night show. As it be like this now, I want to bring in some very wicked guests. This guy, they dance for Africa, dance for every, dance for universe, dance for things. Ladies and gentlemen, oh man, chills. Oh gosh, even me, I didn't say too hot. As it be like this now, please help me make welcome the GGB Dance Crew. Huh? In the building, music, huh? Now group team. They don't know. We are still there. Man, I'm sweating already. Jills. Ladies, where do I start from? Let me hug one, hug two. If I'm not going to fall like this, hug three. Oh. Ladies, I'm surrounded by beautiful ladies. Please have your seat. Una welcome. I think I could enter here and say una no go groove. I say una go back. Una come groove back enter inside the building. GGB Dance Crew. Now, it's a crazy show. So you are going to come and crazy for us on the show like this because we are not all right on this show. You understand? But before that one, make you just introduce yourself one by each. Starting from you on the yellow P.
My name.
If now I'm born now, you go hot fast like this. So,
okay,
come, you don't hear what's in the apple. So enter to that I'm mode.
Oh. My name na Elali.
Elali.
Yeah.
Bam. Okay, we all live on top of a stage named P. Elali. Yeah. All right. So next.
Me and they call Liquor Rose.
Liquor Rose.
Yes.
Okay, Rose. I say Rose. Sheko de cashew.
Eh?
Sheko de cashew like this.
No.
No no cashew. Man, you get that thing.
Okay.
You understand? I don't know. Is it be the feel out?
No,
you get that.
I need this.
You can just for person for public. You can't even compose yourself. What's short to you? So Liquor Rose. Have you?
Yes.
Correct. You know, we'll talk about that later. then our finalist.
Okay. You call me Ifoma.
Chai. Okay, if you call you Ifoma or Ifoma. Ify baby. Ify baby.
Okay.
Una welcome.
Thank you.
Now the thing is here, we see una for so many dance videos. And you know, you don't reach where for some of us will be retired dancers. Not be joke. We say we dance for years now. Even this one, I don't let people know say himself here dancer in the former life. You get, but we happy say people like could carry this whole thing go on that level. But first, make I first start like this first. How una think say people they see una as dancers? Because we said we they dance with some ladies before, not some people they reason them say dancers they don't get future and some other things, and some dancers they promiscuous and some other, you know. But how una feel say people perception of female dancers be? So when you look going from outside, that she be the moderator.
No, we guys.
Okay, now that's the.
Yeah, they relate.
Okay, okay.
You never understand.
And they talk as you know, she's a tiger somewhere. You understand? It's not smart. You don't do. But people they get that kind of view, they do. You understand? You bring out the tiger in me. Okay, so the answer to the whole thing.
It ain't normal. You don't talk out.
Okay.
And so people they talk out. They look dancers, female dancers, say they lose. They don't get future.
Yes.
They careless.
Careless, okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
But we they make them know say, you know, be like that. As we did like this, we try put on for other people to see say being a female dancer no be about say we don't know what thing we they do. We they bored, we don't want to go school. We know get future plan, and dancing a good thing. people embrace dance. We like dance. We love dance. To the dance,
Na career.
na career,
Na career.
na good thing, na
Career, they
profession.
make person
So you
happy.
understand? So we dey let them know as we dey do our thing.
Yeah.
Make they see say being a dancer na good thing,
Okay.
a bad thing.
Okay.
Na confirm something.
Finito. If you know what you pass on, now you sabi. But little roles. You talk something just as only make people be happy.
Yes, no, because dance for me be like hobby.
Okay.
Hobby where I get passion for.
Okay.
She get. So if I dey dance, I that joy too much, big where me they come dey pay me for it. I like what they do again. And so a normal thing people will say female dancers we dey lose. They call us careless. So then the name
Not
that.
careless. It be like saying I be capital letter.
You understand? Say careless. No one go school. If a man a graduate, me I be 200 level student. You need like 200 level student. You like again.
So now
don't
you
stop our
are a
dance.
graduate and the people who are in school. So if I'm not talking your own thing, you are in your mouth. Please.
And as we do, so our parents support us. If
Okay.
they no say what they do no make sense, they no give even they don't tear us slap because me I be last born.
Okay.
I mean, I be first born.
Oh.
Say you get we get people for there like you know fit take your sister to your brother, they no say okay, they no be children where they and parents out there make they support their children when want dance. Support your pikin. If you know pikin where you born and you know say you train them well,
Yes.
leave am make you do it you want, support them. The man that say you guys go school, yes, you guys go school. In Africa we did. The word all you guys go school.
True.
You guys go school. But please allow them, support them.
Yes.
Give them that support and use prayer, support them.
Prayer too. Prayer.
Yes.
Prayer too. If I'm so what be your own take for this whole gist now?
And the same thing, they don't talk everything.
Okay, so they don't yarn everything like
They don't
this.
hear everything.
But
And the same thing they talk.
you know
Everybody
the-
talk say dancers, nah, this, that. But
Okay.
we don't be like that at all.
Okay, now I mean the message that they preach now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because for me, one of these, you know, when I would that year, you know, when they dance that year, easy. You know, when they form video things and they do stage things, they form formation for stage. They do Boom! Oh blood, we do are hungry. Oh, we Igbo say that hungry cost. Oh, if they count our rib like this. But now say na the money search or na passion for na first. If they say money or passion, which one they go for?
Na
Na passion first starter.
Passion.
Na
passion,
Ginger
no.
the
And the money follow your passion. Why you go say no?
You know say no
Say
now.
no
Because I
now.
don't be person before we say, man, I'm just doing this thing for the passion. I don't send money. I say,
That
hey.
person they lie.
Hey.
lie.
Because we say, if that one, come my street, come they dance, no they play conco, just they go to do your thing. Mono say 5 years now, you go there, feed your children with just passion. You understand me? So, but very beautiful one. Now, if you now a graduate from a school and everything, what you study for university?
Political science and public administration.
You know I laugh evil. You laugh, I laugh, it's a very evil laugh. You understand? Because one person could take political science and then you come, so it's very different from the arts. So say, na jab you can't go do political science. Or say you just choose to just do something else different from.
See, I like dance naturally. I know if you go study dance because I go still get opportunity to still do them again after school. You guys get different things to fall back to. Do you understand?
Okay.
So I studied political science.
Bam.
And then I still get dance there from one side because I don't sabi dance before.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Now to expand them, now be the main thing. And I don't already done the everything for them.
I believe you. Because these days now, women are not sleeping again. They are coming out to say, hey, what a man can do, we can do 4 times. Who run the world, guys? Who run the world, guys? That yeah. Somebody learn that. It's not to homework. Now, quickly, I don't say three of them rather. They different, maybe they different groups before and all that. How on can't take gather on ourselves? Because okay, we want form this group called GGB Dance Crew. First of all, GGB Dance Crew. People will not know what's the meaning of GGB Dance Crew.
Girls got bold.
Girls got bold.
Yeah.
Girls got bold. Girls got bold. Very, very bold name. Strong name, powerful name. That's what the thing they cut across to me. Is to chuck me somehow. GGB. GGB.
When you hear GGB, you know
you say
yes.
It's strong.
That's why
It's
it's
strong.
inside.
Girls got bold.
Girls got
We
bold.
call our power Moscow. You understand? So how of that can't take together ourselves now? Can't say, okay, let's put together this wonderful group. Take and go on that level.
We did jam for actually dancers. We know each other for industry.
That's a normal thing.
And so you get some kind of dancers. When you see them, that connection, when they say, okay, they feel this babe dance, and they feel this babe out to behind camera and stuff. And we actually always meet each other for like shows, stage, backstage, video shoot, and all. And we just click like that. And since then, if you get job, we'll call you.
Okay.
Like get job, we'll call us. So
Okay.
that bond, don't date.
Okay.
Now we just okay, fine. We'll take this dancing to another level.
Okay.
You know, so to reach out to people and like, okay, we have to be bold.
Okay, and bold to pursue the career,
Yeah.
and bold to be on stage and everything.
show them that yes, we are ready.
So now from then I can just form the GGB Dance Crew.
Yes.
GGB. Girls got bold.
Yes, go.
You understand? You have to call the name in a shocking way for people to chuck on it. You say bold. The bold be big up like P. You're the bold. Come out with force and everything. So now I can't get this beautiful video where una just can't do our own thing. Can understand that whole copyright issue sometimes when you dance other people's songs. And somebody come to tell you, say, you have to come and pay us royalty and all those things before Nakon. So now the reason why Nakon go decide to do our own kind of song, come dance on top, I've been waiting.
No.
Okay,
You
nobody.
know as no.
Okay.
Like the way with DJs, they're the feature artists too.
Yes.
Create powerful song.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
Sometimes we 50 guys dance to our song, perform our song.
Perform our own song like that.
Now so we
Okay.
reason
So,
now.
but they never give you that kind of wala before, say.
No.
Say that based on your friendship with them, because I don't dance for almost everybody. P Square, everybody. I don't say this girl say again. I say you don't reach where we don't know. So they look like you go see one, you go see one, you go see that. We don't know now. Finish now for video. You know, but okay, we're gonna take this break here now. You see in our video, we'll watch and we'll come back, constantly talk about future and all those other things we remain on top. Okay? Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, we'll still get the GGB Girls Got Bold Dance Crew in the building. Alright, we'll continue on top of the show. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you the next time. Beautiful video. You know, that's a very wonderful thing. Seriously, I get very impressed. You know, because that year, like I told just now, we'll go on break. Many people plan, say, man, we could do this kind of thing. 4 years past, nothing. Nothing. I say, before you know it, people don't. You see, boys, they sell bonds for road. They say, man, I was once a dancer. Buy your boss. They retire. Straight up. Someday, Spirit of David, which way? Make I leave her there before I go. Lawals, yours up, bros. Okay, but we'll continue the whole G's. Now, on our video now. So now say, okay, not be based on, see, artists going to give now wahala. Now just based on our own things. So they look forward to more videos like this from now.
Sure.
More videos like this go come.
More videos, more pictures.
More features too.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means before the year end, before I know it, I'll come get album or something. Or, because we know when I feel to one hustle now, we know you also know next now come out with video things, album. And I feel they give an idea now. I don't know. One I don't have, I want to remember me. That's the reminder and I say things. You understand? But seriously, lovely work. And who be the guys who want to feature on top of the video?
Feature
Kajad and
Pasha. And a Bigfoot.
Produce the song.
Bigfoot produce.
Yeah.
Okay. But well, either way, seeing our pictures now. I like the fact on our prints and everything, you know, our African prints things, they on top on our picture things, you understand? And they make many brain. You get. Say, when I just try to identify with our roots as who we be for this side of the world.
Yes, now.
We are
African.
Yeah, because I reached to ask. This picture actually is touching my heart. It's a very, very Gegas bold picture, you know, and now they really, this picture, won't leave her here first. What if this trouser thing these days, you these girls, I won't keep people for this country. What's up with all these shower jeans? They don't green jeans rest for this world things. And I know say na the tiger na the center. The tiger's in the middle of that whole picture. And well, but I like the fact, you know, I take this whole thing go. Now they celebrate dance, you know. And for some of us, for example, we cannot even go my side again.
Go your side, because I said, you don't with joy. You see the joy.
No, for me, dance has always been a passion. For us, dance not passion. But when you say we know your greens and shop that year, you understand? Easy bit. You want to show small this beats, may you show them.
No, before come out, we go just try.
Now, for all of you now, who they do? You cannot say most times for dance groups. One person they do everything. I heard a hot pass for stunt. Now only one use head the rub ground. Only one they form some kind spreading of leg. So for this picture now, all of them do something. But now only for man 9 day for iron. For just spread leg for iron there. Just split on top iron there.
Yes.
So what that tell me now? Out of all of now, who stop on pass?
Everybody
get their own craze.
Yeah.
Their own things, the witchcraft way they work on different
Come out for different times.
different ways. But they get one person who say that person they worry the full group. You only say, today I'm not in the mood to dance. Please come and keep me. They'll come to beg and say, please now, please, yeah, please. Say, oh, yeah, I'm gonna go buy me shawarma. Who be the person they give that kind of wahala for the group? Nobody.
When one comes like this,
Everybody ginger.
Everybody I they chook for the whole thing.
That's mine.
Okay, fighting now who they fight fast? Nobody do they fight for all of that. One person must be. And I
when you say fight, when you say fight, which kind of fight?
When they cause wahala pass, you say the other one, a person they do yanga.
You know the throw blow.
Not the throw, not throw blow now. But I feel they use claw.
No, we don't do that.
Don't do that. Nobody do.
No, we not be like that.
Now you.
We not be like that.
Now you don't do that. No, I know they cover up for this place. My spirit, I get. And they descend people and their spirits. My spirit tell me say you.
Your spirit don't fail you.
He fail me. You know they ever fail me. My spirit tell me you go win selection we pass and the person will win. So now my spirit. So they be
sometimes they switch
changes, you know.
Okay, they change a bit.
Okay.
And which way? So that means future things now on top of the whole dance thing. What's in the future be like for GGB Dance Crew?
Mouse no fit talk more.
Oh, if we talk, we say GGB they go higher now. They expand.
By God's
They're
grace.
spreading,
GGB go higher.
reaching out to people.
Wow.
with the
Reach out
dance.
to people.
Because it's the message now. We want to reach out to people. We want to put impact.
Okay.
We want place. We want to leave footprints. You understand?
Okay.
So
That's the way they talk now. Footprints can happen when you're sitting down.
We're not made by sitting down.
Mm-hmm. That's waka for you sit down.
Okay, no, it's no rush am. Some people that the only thing they feel learn for the whole show today. So now go repeat them again for people when they watch now to hear them well. Oh yeah, again.
I say they want to leave footprints because you don't feel sit down. People will sit down, they know they leave footprints. Footprints were made by not sitting down.
Yeah.
That's what.
So you got to waka. You got to make moves. You got to go outside there, go and do some kind of things. No, you have to think dreamers. If you dream, die. Nothing will work. Now, make I talk about this very, very sensitive thing which always happen to groups most times. When it comes to issue of breakup, you get. Because anyhow it may be, I always hear people say, somehow somebody got so ready for them. Everybody no go day together for the next years to come. If he reach where he go reach, where things like that feel still coming, but the love still there. Not ever he fear to reach that point for a career together as GGB Dance Crew, or from here now they raise other people, then we go continue just in case tomorrow and not to continue this whole level again.
Well, thing we say,
Just make that
no, it's not for corner.
normal level.
We don't say we'll go places now, like we'll they big past the way we did now. So that thinking say we ever split. The time say what's my own next level now, our own next level, our own next. So we get the same thinking.
Okay.
So we move together.
Okay.
Maybe some person wants to say, I want to go turn. We get the same thing. You get the same ambition, same vision.
Okay.
Because we see the bigger picture together.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe say one person they wear glass and one person they read. All of us don't want to hide it.
The whole thing together like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But some days back or so, I've been doing some kind of audition for people.
Yes.
Yeah.
So any plants on ground where they share very soon, we also some kind of things. GGB Dance Crew every year, 2 things, the major stage performance and show and everything.
Now the plan with that now.
Plan with that.
You know, you get some kind of show where we know if you perform only 3 of us.
Exactly.
Guys get back up where people go there. plenty people for stage like that. So now why we do the audition?
Yeah,
We
for
will get
GGB Empire.
GGB Empire.
Empire.
Yes, they are busting my skull. It's like get that I think they do po. Empire. Not be just a crew.
Yes, now.
Empire now. Now you are thinking bigger.
That's the bigger
And the bigger picture be that
yeah,
one.
be that.
Correct. Okay. As it be like this now, quickly, we don't play one small game with you now. You understand? Before we continue the whole thing, because as we go soon come out for the full show. You get. But now small the way the former face change. The Thai guy is still looking like, what you want to do us now? You understand? So now we all play. You know, say when we small that year, they do names of this one and this one and this one. You get. So now one game I like to play in my old age like this. You understand? So we're gonna do names of things. You get. Just the reason you don't think round. You don't think okay, so easy bit. You all give us a background, you know, so they give person heartbeat. Okay, so we'll do names of different things. And we'll start like this. Easy bit, you go throw two. I go throw two or throw any number. I go do one by one. They ask them.
Okay.
So now battle against three of them. They battle themselves now.
You know, join us.
No, not join us.
You guys join us.
Let me be moderator
Just
now.
join
That's
us.
gonna be moderator. Nana be the guest. So we won't know the last
What's
person
together
time
is
then.
this?
They're not great.
No, that's it go be.
Last week I joined the whole team.
No join.
You're not supposed to join now. I won't make three of them.
And three of them on a day. Mona do
Three
shakara.
of them. Nana day. Not be any Nana day. They celebrate na today. So all right. So easy bit already.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll do first things first. Names of Nigerian male musicians. Nigerian male musicians there. Now be man musician. Man where they sing. Male musicians. Okay. So not already. Yeah. So make I see Tumbo basketball teacher Labapu still done boss. So now you go start. If I will continue, you come like this. So are you ready now? Names of Nigerian male musicians. Start.
Scales.
Praise.
Ice Prince.
The band.
Shantizo.
MI.
P Square.
Whiskey.
Davido.
One person go gawk. Okay, so you don't misbehave now. So you remain informal. So at Ella, so sometimes go do their own now. So not already now. Now between 12 now. Okay, so now go do names of easy bit.
Name of girls. Name of girls, yeah.
Nigerian female musicians.
No, just not
Girls.
female.
Girls
yeah.
generally.
Yeah.
Names of girls. Names of girls is like cheap thing now.
No, you go shock you.
You go choke me. Okay, so if I'm go start this time. Okay, so names of if you don't think of your full family, just think of your cousin, think of neighbor. They give you that different things. Alright, so now set now. Okay, so names of ladies, names who are sabi. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Chichi.
Koma.
Beyonce.
Rose.
Real.
It's just chop little. So now you said that she win, Abi?
Yeah.
Correct. All right, GGB Dance Crew, thank you very much for joining us on the show. We get enough fun with you now, and of course, we wish you the best. As when they carry this whole thing, they go on that level. We're going to hear bigger things from Una. And no go let us down. And of course, now go change the face of dance for this country. We believe Una finish. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm still the late night show. Okay, quickly, we just want to go on this break. We'll come back, then we'll go wrap up everything. We are going to do a dancing closing scene for the show this night. All right, so not go anywhere. We'll come back now. No.
Something that makes me more attracted to you. And I wanna see you breaking out for me. Yes, we in this private.
All right, quickly, ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, we have wrapped up the show for today. Big shout out to all of my guests inside the building. But as it be like this now, Easy Beast, you ready? Now we are going to use a battle thing and a dancing thing to finish the show, and then from there we are continuing the whole thing. One person is sneezing for the whole show like this, even though we don't say yes. She has come the show today, but she is going to go back with a kata and everything. But anyway, we are so much love from our own side. Now we all dance come up for the whole show. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again. So now follow us on the show. Just go our Twitter handle at W Late Night Show, reach there, and then we'll continue every. Okay, so guys, not already. Not already. Easy beat. Okay, so listen for us now. We'll come one by one. They show ourselves and everything. We're not ready. We're not ready. I got my own crew in the building. We now BBD Boys Crew. Now BBD Boys Crew. Now BBD Boys Crew.
BBD, what you know what I mean?
BBD something. So now them be GGB Dance Crew.
Baby boy dance.
Girls Got Bold. We now BBD.
Dance.
Boys. Okay, no. Okay, BGB boys. Boys got bold. And then be the GGB girls got bold. Alright, so we're not ready now. Boys, are you ready? Yeah. I'm not happy myself now. Alright, so one by one now. We say good night, all of you. Good night. Okay, so one by each.
Like